perimeter of a triangle ABC, simplify your answer. In B you need to calculate the area of triangle ABC, and in C you need to work out whether triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. To calculate the perimeter we need the edge AC and BD before we can calculate the perimeter. And that's the way we do that is with the Pythagorean theorem. In triangle ADC, you can say that AD squared plus CD squared is AC squared. AD is 2 square root 3 and CD is 4, so you get this. When you calculate this, you get 28. So that means AC is the square root of 28, and you need to simplify your answer. So that means square root of 4 times the square root of 7, because 4 times 7 is 28. And that's equal to 2 and square root of 7. To calculate BD, you use the triangle BCD, and in that triangle the Pythagorean theorem is BD squared plus CD squared is BC squared. You don't know BD, but CD is 4 and BC is 8, so you get this. And that means BD squared plus 16 is 64. Then BD is the square root of 64 minus 16, and that's equal to 48, the square root of 48. When you simplify that, you get the square root of 16 times the square root of 13, and that's equal to 4 square root of 3. Right. The perimeter is AD plus BD plus BC plus AC. So you need to add all of those. And I will clear this. Square root of 7 and BD is equal to 4 square root of 3. So the perimeter is equal to 2 square root of 7 plus 8 plus 2 square root of 3 plus 4 square root of 3. And when you simplify that answer, you get 8 plus 6 square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 7. And the dimensions are in centimeters. Alright. Exercise B, the area. The area of a triangle is a half times the edge times the height. So that means a half times AB, and AB is 6 square root of 3, because this whole thing, this is 2 square root of 3, and this was 4 square root of 3. So that means together it's 6 square root of 3. Times the 4, that's the height in this exercise. This is the height, so times 4. And then you get 12 square root of 3, and area is in squared centimeters. Exercise C. The question is whether triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. You need to work it out, so use a calculation. And when it is a right angled triangle, the Pythagorean theorem would be right. And then angle C would be a right angle. So the Pythagorean theorem to square root of 7. BC is 8 squared, and that's equal to 29. AB squared, AB was 6 square root of 3, so that means 6 square root of 3 squared, and that's 108. Then you see 92 is not equal to 108, so it's not a right angled triangle.